Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So AMC, get ready for the run right back up on next week, guys. So I know a lot of people is discouraged. Some people believe we is about to go right back to the gutter from where we previously came from, that $15 range. I told you guys I believe this was the bottom. This $23 right at previous resistance is now being treated as a form of support. I know 23 was broken on Friday, but that's to be expected. It's never going to be exactly whenever we say the bottom. Of course, if we believe that's going to be the bottom, that means market makers know exactly what our mindset at. So it will only be right for them to break it just to here up under where everybody assumes for it to stop at and go no lower. So coming down to 22.34, that's just the psychological aspects, and also done by market makers taking out stop losses from people putting in a computer, letting them know they want to sell if AMC dropped below a certain price. Well, then that certain price was 23, but you ain't going to put the order at exactly 23. You're going to give yourself some wiggle room to around 22.50, 22.60. That's why it came all the way down to 22.34 to make sure it get out all those stop losses. So anyways, I believe that has taken place. That got that out of the way, and now it's nothing but up from here, guys. Of course, it's going to be choppiness. It's going to be ups and downs along the way, but as long as we continue to improve ourselves and not give back all these gains, we still is in a great position, guys. So we know Adam Aaron is making moves, guys. Like I said, I had told you guys when they first had made a move with the gold and mining company, that was a great and solid move, guys, and they was going to be able to be profitable off that move. A lot of people had thought maybe that wasn't the best idea, meaning, you know, Adam Aaron, the CEO of AMC, did take a big risk going outside of the comfort zone, meaning they dipped their toes into a business that they had, you know, that wasn't in their category. So with that being said, they did take on some risk, but I felt it was a no-brainer of a move, and they did very well, especially with the hype and the speculation going on around AMC. Them investing in any other companies will draw attention, a lot of attention, from their crowd of retail investors already investing in AMC, and they'll drive up the prices of these other companies that AMC invest in. Companies with very small market cap, so whenever they do buy part ownership within a company, they can easily flip their investment in a short period of time. Due to small cap companies can easily double, triple, 4x in price in a short period of time. So with that being said, if AMC was smart and doing what I was expecting them to do, is not hold this company and believe in it, do whatever you can do to help turn the company around, because it'll be for your benefit as well, AMC. But the smart thing would be to do, invest in $28 million in this company, and knowing that you're going to see a quick turnaround from the FOMO and the hype coming in from your investors. In your current situation with AMC, you could have easily sold off. We don't know if he sold yet. We know how they like to wait before information like that be disclosed. But AMC had 22% of the company. They could have sold off 11% when the price, they got in around $1 range. It ran as high as almost touching $3. They easily doubled up their money. They could have sold 11% of the company, got back their $28 million that they put in, and then own part of the company, 11% of a company, for free. Basically, that's how I look at it when I invest. Basically, they playing with house money. That way, regardless of what happened, after they pull their initial investment out, the $28 million, even though they own a smaller percentage of the company, they safe now. I got my money back, and plus I own part of your company for free, for rent free, because I made that what I spent back off of the hype and the FOMO that I caused your company to receive. So if they did it and start doing it like that, they could easily build up more capital and more funds on the back end while waiting for AMC to spike again in price action, while they can then use all that money and continue to make different business models and get AMC ahead of the game and ahead of competitors. Also do things outside of the box where it ain't even got nothing to do with, you know, movies and popcorn and all this good stuff, guys. That's what AMC AMC is headed. They headed to a whole different direction, and they got so much power, which is the money that we helping them get and receive, to do so many different things on so many different levels, that they is, you know, this thing could be crazy. Because like I told you guys, fundamentally this company is worth more than, like especially when we was trading at a $13-14 range. Fundamentally they done did so much in building the aspects of the company up that is worth more than that. So if you holding for the squeeze, or if you in a situation to where you scared, like, oh, I think this is over, they ain't going this and ain't doing that, regardless if the squeeze happen or if not, still fundamentally we done got this company so ahead of the game and got so much credit to be able to use that capital to be able to put them in a better situation, to where we will also be in a better situation fundamentally, because if they grow, we'll grow. So anyways guys, I do believe next week will be a great week for AMC, because like I said in the previous video, it's a crazy buy zone. So many people are hyped up, ready to buy at 31, 32, 33, at the high 20s, but now you got $10 discount, $10 off, and you scared to buy. So you already know. That's all I got for this video, guys. You already know what to do. Add me over there on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Do all that good stuff. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.